Let me stretch this out. Let me get this out of the way so people don't think it's for that. Inception Baseball 24. Take a peek at the list. It's going to be a second before I can get that video up for you, Brett. Ustream takes a minute to get it through. I'm trying, Frank. 25% off working on our Inception football case. Down to 15 teams. Plus, we're throwing in a box of Clear Vision football to give away. Randomize all teams at the end of that Inception case break. Somebody will be winning a box of Clear Vision football. All right, ready? Good luck, everyone. This is Inception Baseball 24. Print that list. First hit, Jesse Winker. The red auto, 3 of 5. Going to the Reds. Vicky FOU. 3 of 5, Jesse Winker. Nice hit, Vicky. Where's Eric when we need him? I know nothing about that dude. Sean Coyle, prospect auto for the Red Sox. Steven, QUI. Alfaro, prospect auto for the Rangers. Neil, KOL. We don't want to know what, Nate. Keep that to yourself. Grant Holmes, prospect auto for the Dodgers. Donald, KR. Our last hit, pretty nice one. Severino. Nice 2-color jersey auto. 18 of 50 going to the Yankees. Donald, KR. Nice hit. Is that what you call it, your car, Nate? Nice hit, Donald. Severino auto jersey numbered to 50. That'll do it for Inception Baseball number 24. What else we got? Case break. Down to 15 teams there. 25% off. Wednesday brings us Chrome Baseball. We've got a case worth of jumbo boxes up and running. 5 autos per box. Again, Chrome Baseball comes out on Wednesday. Immaculate Baseball comes out next week. We've got all kinds of stuff working for them too. My box card. Oh, Nate. Goodness. Severino's only played 2 games, hasn't he, Jeremy? First one, he struck out 7 through 5 innings, and then, yeah, the last game he got knocked around a little bit, but it's only his 2nd game, I believe, in the majors. He said he looked good the first one. He had a tough matchup last game, too. Forget who he was playing, but... Severino's all right. I don't know anything about that Winker, but wasn't a bad box overall. Couple numbered parallels. Definitely not the worst box of Inception I've seen, but can't expect to pull Chris Bryant's every box either, you know. Maybe he does. I thought he only had 2 starts. He might have a couple more, but it's not that many this year. I know that. Like I said, you can't expect every box to be loaded with Chris Bryant's and Gallows and all the big name players. I mean, you're going to get some with lesser known people, but to get a couple nice numbered parallels and low numbered, numbered to 5, can't ask for much more than that. Yeah, Inception is prospects and rookies. You're not going to be pulling McGuire's and... Jock Gallo Bryant. That's awesome. I was actually pretty impressed with that box of Inception. Auto number to 5 and an auto relic number to 50. It's a pretty good box. All right, Frank. Oh, I got to get that hit out of Goodwin. Only you, Nate. Only you. I'm waiting for you to buy out that other break of UFC.
It's a golden opportunity to discover the luxury of freedom. Come into the Lexus Golden Opportunity Sales Event.
I think he left. He took off.
On our most capable models. Now through September 8th. This is the pursuit of perfection.
Yeah, it looks like Fred left. Must have gotten upset. Can't help it. Like I said, I thought that was a pretty... Overall, that was a good box of Inception. Can't ask for much more. Are you serious, Nate? Oh, Brett got in. It's not all you this time. I'll throw you a silver if you buy it out right now. Or you can wait. It's your call. I'll give you a silver if you close it out, though.
Facing up the
$20 spots are left, Nate.
Not happy. Only 8 combined hits, one of them a home run from Albert Pujols. We are all tied 1-1 the score. The Angels know the Astros won, and so did the Texas Rangers. At the moment, the Rangers the same record as the Angels. How crazy is that?
This is a pretty good pitch, and I know Robin Ventura's. It's close. It's a close pitch. About the same pitch. Remember Fernando Rodney?
Yeah.
So it's a walk-off. Pretty close.
Yeah.
Opposite sides of the plate.
Astros lost, so you see they're both 3 back, the Rangers and the Angels in the AL West. That division turning into a nail-biter with 3 teams. Let's go to San Diego. This game isn't exactly...
I thought you'd like that, Brett.
Matt Kemp, bat speed. He's having a heck of a week, huh? That's what you thought he was going to do when he went there. Right. Took a while to get there.
18 spots left
And now that the game's
in that Bloodlines. What'd you get? Onyx Platinum Prospects.
San Diego Padres.
Pack 3.
Padres not putting a dent in the NL West, but the San Francisco Giants are. They're moving
Sure, I can do that for you.
and this is an odd play. It ended up deciding the game. Reynolds at the plate. Brandon Crawford.
If Elliot MEN is on, I tried shooting you an email. I tried giving you a call.
He ends up getting caught this
I
ball.
need to
And I think it gets caught on his glove.
need to know what
He just said, I got to do it myself.
I need to fix in your order.
That ball to second base, and he ends up pirouetting, throwing around. It doesn't get an error because you get the force, but that's a ball he knows he should have made. He would have normally made. So I'll show you a couple things. One,
Freaking 100 points. Come on.
when he gets in this position, and normally he would flip it and follow it. That's why he's saying why is his footwork going that way, because he always follows his feet as good as anybody. So I think once he got to this position, the ball got
There you go, Brett.
or somewhere in the exchange, and then he decided
All taken care of. What's that card go for? Any clue?
fun to throw. And I think if he could have came even at this angle right here, got here and thrown, he's got enough
Should we give us something to look at?
he's gonna be able to turn double.
Well, it's not huge, but at least it's some eye candy. Oh, I can probably get that Inception list off the screen, huh?
Felt like he was gonna be able to spin and throw
Ha 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 ha.
a little bit. But I think it was a lot because the angle was what came up forcing him to position.
And is that another play, Harold?
The case break, probably not, card man. I'll probably jump on tomorrow, try to push it on breakers, get that filled up so we can break it. We'll get it pushed, hopefully get it to go by Wednesday, card man. Here you go, Jeremy, pack 3.
And that's why you got all this in your head, how fast he's running and how much time you have to stall that clock. And I know the clock was ticking. Just to keep things
Kivlahan,
almost at second base. That lack
number to 300.
had nothing to do there. No, because
Claudio Custodio, silver ink auto,
he hadn't got to be able to.
numbered to 150.
I think it was because he got caught and just got stuck on that arm, according to Statcast.
Aquino, number to 300. Thanks, Jeremy. You can get points for store credit. You know, the break points. You can earn points by tweeting links out on Twitter, on Facebook. There's different forums. I mean, I don't know where you can post links and stuff to the site, but any card talk forum, sports collectors forum, go ahead, throw our name out there anywhere you're allowed to. But you do earn break points if you tweet us out. Tweet out links and whatnot on Twitter, and people click through. You get points for referrals. I know somebody was asking about referrals before. We put some information in our emails, so make sure you read that. Otherwise, when you check out at the final checkout screen or after you complete your order, I believe it'll pop up a link to refer friends with. That'll get you 500 break points if somebody clicks through and what's it called? Purchases. Signs up and purchases. You'll get 500 break points.
What a roller coaster ride in Flushing. We'll walk you through the beginning to where we are now.
MLB Tonight is brought to you by Ford. Introducing the all-new Ford F-150, the future of tough.
Is he really your cousin, Joe? Or are you just saying that because the same last name?
This is the Ford F-150, and this changes everything. Drive the new 2015 Ford F-150. The future for just $249 a month. See your local Ford dealer today. The precision
Did you do a video you opening all your goodies, Jeremy?
The Fusion Pro Glide, rebuilt with FlexBall technology, makes maximum contact and gets virtual.
Thanks, card man.
And just one of the Fusion Pro Glide refills gives Dave here up to a month of comfortable shaves, which is about this many, which is a lot. One refill up to 1 month of comfortable shaves.
Oh, shoot. Now Cal's gone.
But that's not the only thing that keeps us coming back. Here's to friends who reach for better, fewer carbs,
Joe, is he really your cousin?
taste. Michelob Ultra, the superior light beer.
TV is the best. Nice try, but texting is better.
Nothing's better than Twitter. Smartwatches are the future. Your entrees.
Nate. Ty tried to get 3 spots in that Bloodlines. Are you willing to part with 3 of them?
I can order Domino's on Twitter.
So can a text. Pizza emoji sent. Domino's ordered. Smiley face.
Use your favorite device to order.
It's all good, Jeremy. I was hoping to watch you open it all. Oh, and Joe and Jeremy, your pictures are on their way from those redemptions from the National. We got those out in your shipments this week, so.
Making it the place to find a place for Labor Day. Watch Giants Pirates, MLB Network's Thursday night showcase live at 7 Eastern. During the pennant chase, nobody gets it around the horn faster than quick.
Yeah, Nate. Ty tried to get some spots in that Bloodlines. If you're willing to part with 3 of them, I'll get you a refund. Otherwise, Ty was a little late. All right, Nate. Ty, do you want me to just put you in the... Want me to put you in the next one, Ty? I can put you in the next one, Ty, or I can give you a refund. Your call. What a pain. What a pain Nate is. I'm going to laugh if Ty goats him into giving up his 3 spots and we do pull a Rousey. That would be hilarious. And Ty gets it.
Stadium, the Angels have lost 3 straight games. Cole Calhoun, bottom 6 of the tie game. Dan, when will this lineup take off, if it ever will? That's
Oh, Ustream was a pain, huh?
Back-to-back quality outings. How about 6
You trying to do it from your phone, Jeremy?
5Ks? 1-1 the score. The Angels used to be in first place. Now they're 3 out because the
I'm going to go ahead and get a fresh video going. We got Bloodlines number 4. Number 4 coming up next. Let you guys argue for a second. All right. All right, Ty. I'll put you in that one.